delivers results you can feel and see. Never skip your warm-up. Raise body temp, pump blood, prep joints and nervous system. 5 to 10 minutes light cardio, then dynamic stretches that mimic your lifts. Before your first exercise, do 1 or 2 very light sets. After your last set, walk to bring your heart rate down. Hold static stretches 20 to 30 seconds. Focus on muscles you worked. Warm-up prepares you. Cool down kickstarts recovery. Warm up 5 to 10 min light cardio, dynamic mobility, 1-2 light sets. Cool down 5 min walk, static stretches. Consistency drives success. You need a schedule you can keep. 2 options: 3-day full body or 4-day upper lower. Option A, train Mon, Wed Fry. Use the in-between days for rest or light activity. Week flow, full body A, rest, full body B, rest, full body C, rest, rest. Option B, upper Monday, lower Tuesday, rest Wednesday, upper Thursday, lower Friday. Weekend to rest and grow. By week 4, weights feel lighter, reps improve, posture and confidence rise. Expect broader shoulders, firmer arms and visible strength. Pick the schedule that fits your life. Commit to it for 30 days. Follow the prescription. Sets by reps, rest 60-90 seconds. Heavy lifts, rest 2 to 3 minutes. Full body A, goblet squat 3x8-10, bench press 3x8-12, push-ups 3x8-12, dumbbell row 3x8-12 each arm. Plank 3 sets of 30-60 seconds. Cool down 5 min walk plus light stretch. Full body B, Romanian deadlift 3x8-10, overhead press DB 3x8-12, lat pull down 3x8-12, assisted pull up 3x8-12, walking lunges 2x10 steps each leg. Cool down. Full body C,